house and flat. Call now to see the one you've been waiting for. Endless potential is offered with this classic 1970s property. So come down and see 25 Kennedy Avenue today. Set on a large flat site with endless potential to develop, the property contains a spacious 3-bedroom brick home, together with an equally spacious, completely independent 1-bedroom flat. You're left with options galore here. The main dwelling has separate street access to the front door and a standalone garage at the rear. Meanwhile, the flat has its own street access via the closed-in carport and also has storage space attached. Are you wanting an extended family home, space for guests, a family home with added income? The choices are as many as your imagination will allow. Call Leanne now for your viewing and set your mind to work. Leanne Dryfout at Property Brokers Fielding. Contact Leanne anytime on 027 277 7250.